Hi, I'm Sunita Tekchin from the Holistic Alternatives, and today I'd like to discuss another workshop that I'm doing, again a mini workshop, and I hope the ones who joined me for the Art of Blending mini workshop really got some good information from there and are able to now start to blend some of the oils that they may have at home with the right kind of dosage. So I realized that a lot of people call me up and complain about pain and say whether I can create blends for them for, like, my mom has got osteoarthritis or rheumatism. Many people suffer from spondylitis, muscular aches and pains. So your general aches and pains, especially now with a lot of people working at home, a lot of us are on our computers, so our arms, our fingers, our thumbs on the phone, and of course our necks hurt because we're constantly looking at the computer. So join me for this class on the 25th of October. It is a Sunday morning again from 9:30 to 11, 1.5 hours. We will be discussing all sorts of blends that we can make and create for pain management. So the workshop is called Aromatherapy for Pain Management, and this has been very popular when I was teaching it in Hong Kong and in London, and I think that in Dubai or anywhere else in the world where you guys would like to tune in from would be very enjoyable for you to learn how you can tackle pain with aromatherapy. Again, we will learn how to make some blends to tackle certain, let's say, conditions like spondylitis. We can create blends are really strong, actually, what we call 5% dilutions, which are isolated conditions. So for example, if I had a shoulder pain and I had a frozen shoulder, I can actually create a 5% dilution, which is really strong, to apply it on my shoulders, and this will really help to alleviate the pain. Same with the knee issues as well. If you have issues with your knee or you have knee pain, an isolated massage would work really well. So this class on pain management with aromatherapy is really targeted for people who would like to start making blends for treating all sorts of aches and pains. And I hope that you can sign in and join for this very, very good, knowledgeable class for all of you. So I look forward to that. Thank you very much.